Okay, these are just a few things you can see in the Indianapolis airport. Forgot what I was gonna say. My ode. Some art. Pretty neat. Now to find out where I need to go. I'm going to my gate. Loading in probably 40 minutes. Cool artwork in Indy here. And I'm almost to where my gate is. So I like the artwork in here. It's very pretty. Another Indy car here. Pretty cool. I'm almost to my gate. Apparently it was a last minute change. They put me to A16 instead of A7. Alright. I only got a few minutes to get there.
We're in the dark. There's CRV. Trust me, he's right there.
Hi.
We're on a late night mission. Like Crystal's back here, dude. Scared the crap out of me. What, Gracie too?
Gracie is. Crystal's not. Gracie is.
Oh, Gracie. Apparently, there's people in the back seat. A person in the back seat too.
I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you Gracie's riding with us.
I'm just sitting here quiet.
Good thing we didn't start talking about her.
Well, I'm about to jump out of this seat. Well, I done forgot what we're. Oh yeah, we're gonna get Becky. I missed my water bottles. But yeah, late night mission. What is it? Midnight. It's after midnight. They diverted Becky twice. One to Ontario, California. One to LAX. So that's where we're going to get her. She says she's never flying again. Rough weather, bad flight attendants, but we'll show you things on the way. Maybe we'll see. If we can see. Later.
Merge onto California 1 North South Sepulveda Boulevard.
We have arrived at LAX. Whoa, yellow light. Oop. There it is, LAX. I think we can turn on red here.
I think so too. I hope so.
Continue on California 1 North for half a mile.
I didn't see anybody behind me turn, so.
Yeah. 5 minutes picking back up. Oh, I thought that was a side street for a minute there in a tunnel. Pretty cool tunnel.
Yeah.
In a quarter mile, take the Century Boulevard exit.
Which one is that?
It goes right, that's all I know. A quarter mile. Oh, yeah. We got bright light coming at us. Century.
This one.
Century Boulevard.
Take the Century Boulevard
All
exit,
terminal.
then keep right at the fork.
Yep. There was a big old jet right here.
Keep right at the fork.
Right at the fork. Whee! That's a 4-hour trip to get here. Oh, there's a big LAX sign in there. Oh, these things. I've seen these on TV.
Keep right.
Yeah.
They change color too, don't they?
This is departing. We want arriving.
Terminal 1. Arriving, departing.
Continue
This
for
way.
half a mile.
Hmm?
This way.
She's not departing. She's arriving.
Oh, that is right. Yeah.
She also said something about level something.
Level 1.
I do not know where I need to go.
Keep going till you go left down there.
Okay.
So we got about 2/10 of a mile yet.
In 1,000 feet, turn left toward West Way. Will be on the right.
Right lane to turn left, huh? Oh, they both turn left.
So we're gonna look for Spirit.
Why do you know if we're on the right level? Because down there's win a bus. And there's vehicles down there. So she said level 1.
But we are supposed to be at 5, right? Down there's 4, up here's 5.
According to that, yeah. I should tell her step outside.
Step outside and wave both arms in the air. Jump up and down and say, here, here.
Yeah, because there's 5.
Alright,
American.
Spirit.
JetBlue Spirit right here. She's here somewhere.
Your destination is on the right.
Here's 5.
Where?
All of
Oh,
these
5.
are 5.
Yeah, JetBlue. Oh, I see Spirit down there. Right past, yeah.
Right past these.
Yep, just right past them. Right past these 2 vehicles. Right
Right there.
here.
Spirit.
Terminal 5. Level 2 and 4.
Spirit.
We're on the wrong level.
How do we get?
Hold on, let me
Here's
send her a
Terminal
text.
5, right there.
Yeah, hold on. I don't know, there was something about arrest and prosecution just come across the PA. I'm not moving. Putting my hood up though. Look, there she is way down there because she came out of JetBlue or American. Red Spirit. We forgot our prison sign, but welcome home. We're on the wrong level too. We're supposed to be on level 1. We're on 2. Kiss. I missed you.
I'm ready to get out of here.
Ready to get out of here? Me too.
Your flight has arrived.
Well, now it's Uber. What?
I said of all airports to go to, this one. They couldn't get us no flight to Phoenix until tomorrow night.
Oh, by the way, there's a Gracie back there in case you didn't know. She scared the crap out of me when I climbed in here. Oh, and we're off. Back to Q.
The flight itself wasn't
In a quarter
bad.
mile,